What's up? So, it's 5 a.m. Hinihintay ko talaga mag 5 a.m. kasi gusto kong makita yung sunrise naman ng medyo rainy. So, it's really nice kasi parang I felt like Baguio made me experience a sunny Baguio, a a clear night Baguio, and a foggy Baguio, a rainy Baguio, a rainy night Baguio, a foggy night Baguio. Foggy morning Baguio. So I feel like Baguio made me experience different weathers na meron. May plural bang weather? But anyway, so yun lang. So right now I want to see the sunrise ng medyo rainy. So hindi ko talaga mag 5 a.m. to do that. Well, lumabas na ako kanina to check kung okay ba. However, nothing spectacular kanina. Not that it's not spectacular, but I have seen that already. That I still love it. Although, not naman something different that I have to take a photo or video again kasi nakuha ko na siya. But, I still love it and gusto ko pa rin siya. So, anyway, hindi ko mag 5 kasi sunrise is 5:30. So ngayon, I believe medyo blue na yung clouds or yung sky, mas kita na siya. But anyway, so let's prepare and I'll show you yung morning. I hope it's nice. I hope it's different, seeing like medyo rainy na morning sa Baguio. Para naman may iba. Later, before I go, I'll show you then I'll give you a quick tour dito sa hotel. Well, I tried kanina, kaya nalobat yung phone ko. And since it's a little bit raining, let's wear a nylon jacket. This is one of my favorite jackets. Binili ko to, siguro mga 2010? Ay hindi, mga nito, acquire na ito. So probably mga 2011. Ang tagal na nito, in fairness. Anyway, so, I remember nung sobrang laki ko before, sabi ng friend ko, yung jacket ko daw, bolero na. But now, look at it, it's kasha na again. Di ba? And I'm so happy na na-maintain ko yung aking body after kong mag-lose ng weight. So, hindi ako usually nagja-jacket ko dito kasi parang okay lang naman. Kaya ko naman yung lamig and I really don't want to enjoy it. But since it's rainy, magja-jacket tayo ng nylon para hindi tayo masyadong mabasa. So, close ko pa or hindi ko na siya close. Ayan. Okay naman. Sige. Awag na lang. Ganyan na lang. It's better. Better, right? Hindi ako nakita ng buo. But anyway, so, where's my tea? Okay, here. Just comb my hair. So, as you know, dahil kulat ako, susukay ko lang yung ibabaw para di masyadong maraming tikwas. And, I got my key, so let's go na. I hope maganda yung sunrise and break na rin natin. How do we do it here? Yan, so let's go. Do I have a key? Just to be sure, I have it. Look at this. This is so nice. Diba? Anyway, so it's going to be nice. Good morning. This is the hotel. Ayan, it's blue na. Good morning. So, hindi siya masyadong rainy, which is good. Pero kahapon, it was raining when I was sleeping. Tinanong ko nga kayo na yung isang staff kung umulan ba ng sobra. And sabi niya, sakto lang daw. O diba, that's so nice. Hindi lang ako lumabas kanina nung umuulan. Ay, ang ganda. This is so nice. Oh, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. How can I take a photo? Naka-live ako. I can't. But this is so pretty. So, ito yung sabi ko, this is where the sun shines. Or the sun rises. Diyan. Like if you notice yung photo na pinost ko yesterday. And if you can see, dun yung merong red na light. Yan. Kasi dyan nag-rise yung sun. So, therefore, kung dyan nag-rise yung sun, dito sa side na to nagsaset, which is nasa harapan ng nasa harapan ng lobby, so nasa entrance. So I don't know why they call this the sunset view, but maybe this looks good during sunset na hindi ko na experience kahapon, and I won't be experiencing it anymore dahil alis na ako mamaya dito ng mga lunchtime. And actually, hindi ko pa alam saan ako pupunta later. Ang plano ko is maggala ng around SM lang, para kasi nilagay ko doon yung mga gamit ko para mapag-ikot-ikot ako sa lounge. And then I'll buy hindi na pasalubong, pasabay, mga pabili ng mga friends ko, office mates ko. And then I would, ang ganda, oh my gosh, ang ganda niya. I would look for a place to eat lang, pero kailangan ko kasi mag-Starbucks dahil meron akong, not naman that I want to go to Starbucks here in Baguio. Syempre mas gusto kong itry yung mga ibang cafes dito dahil I can do Starbucks naman sa Manila or sa Rizal. However, I have a birthday treat from Starbucks, syempre. So, mag-expire siya ng 6 a.m. on Saturday. So, kailangan ko na siyang gamitin tomorrow or later to diet. Otherwise, baka hindi ko na siya magamit na Saturday morning. That's why kailangan ko mag-Starbucks. So, ang hinahanap ko lang for tomorrow or for later, matutulog muna ako bago ko umuwi. So, or bago ko mag-check out dito. So, ang hinahanap ko lang for later ay saan ako pwedeng pumunta other than Starbucks? Around SM. So, yun ang isipin ko. Anyway, I'm not sure if I could stay dito sa live waiting hanggang sa sumikat yung araw. Baka, or I'd probably just take a photo na lang later pag sumisikat na yung araw. I don't think din naman na anyway, sige. But anyway, I'm just here para ipakita yung ito yung gusto ko ngayon. Yan, ang ganda. And then probably here later pag sumikat. Alam ko na. Sige. I'll end this later. Tapos pag sumikat na siya, mag-live ulit ako just so I can, well, kaya ako nag-live actually, not because gusto ko mag-live, but because napupuno na yung memory ng phone ko. So kung mag-live ako, it's like a storage. Nandito lang siya. Tapos pwede ko i-download anytime pag gusto ko nang i-upload sa iba kong social media like my IG. Yun lang, IG lang naman para may iba pa. So, yun. That's the reason why ako nag-live. Hindi because gusto kong mag-live, but para lang i-store ko siya dito. But it's nice, no? Kasi I can talk. Although ang weird kasi ako lang mag-isa dito. So, probably yung mga staff na ikita nila ako nagdadaldal mag-isa. Although may na lang naman yung boses ko. But this is so nice talaga. So, I remember a friend, yung isang araw, tinanong niya ako kung bakit daw ba ako magbabagyo, broken daw ba ako, ganyan, soul searching. Si Aris, what's up Aris? He's very maalalahanin, very tatay. Uy, ang ganda. Pero mas maganda pag ganito, mas dramatic. But this is nice as well, kitang-kita yung fog. Anyway, so hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng soul searching. Probably you're looking for what you really want? I don't know. But I'm just here to relax and to experience Baguio kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-Baguio ever since, and pangarap kong tumira dito just because it's cold. And right now, na-strengthen yung pagustuhan kong tumira dito talaga. So, hopefully soon, dito na ako manirahan. Let's look for a nice job here. And probably have my own salad shop. Tapos ako na yung bibisitahin yun next time. Sa akin na kayo kakain. Pag nagpunta kayo ng Baguio, hanapin nyo na yung salad ni Patrick. Oh, di ba? This is such a nice place. But, and also, well, hindi ko naman siya lagi-laging ginagawa, pero masarap mag-travel alone. Pang ilang beses ko na itong ginawa. Usually during my birthdays or after ng birthdays ko, ginagawa ko to. Wala lang. Ang mindset ko lagi is to think kung anong plano mo sa buhay, ganyan, anong gagawin. However, di ko naman siya nagagawa. Mas nauubos yung oras ko sa pag-take ng photos, pag-admire ng paligid. So, technically, wala pa rin ako nabubuong plano kung anong gagawin ko sa buhay ko right after this. Now, na 41 na ako. Grabe, 41 na ako. But, well, wala pa naman tayong sobrang laking achievement sa buhay. Which is fine kasi, wala lang. I don't think it's what I want naman. I just want to live comfortably. Makapag-grab everyday papunta ng work. Hindi na kailangan mag-work. Pero pwede ba gano'n? Hindi na kailangan mag-work. Well, when I had my salad business, na-enjoy ko siya kahit na work din naman siya technically. But na-enjoy ko siya just because wala lang. Yung stress niya, na-enjoy ko. Iba sa stress ng work. Pero, na-enjoy ko rin naman yung work. Like, kahit na nakakapagod, nakaka-stress talaga. Na-enjoy ko yung people around me. Na-enjoy ko yung nagbibisa ko everyday papasok ng work. Na-enjoy ko yung may mga namimit akong tao or may mga nakikita akong tao everyday. Unlike before na nasa bahay lang ako. Pero I enjoy the fact na hindi ko kailangan umalis ng bahay dati. Wala akong hinahabol na oras. But, yun na nga, baka mamatay na akong single noon dahil di na ako lumalabas ng bahay. well, technically, kahit lumalabas ako ng bahay ngayon, hindi naman ako nag-interact. So, parang nonsense, diba? But anyway, this is such a nice place. So, I don't know kung bakit nagiging siya. Ayaw niya mag-darken. Gusto ko mag-darken siya, parang kagaya kanina. So, I don't know kung mahihintay ko ba yung sunrise nang naka-live. If not, I'll take it again later. So, I'll probably just end this muna. Pinakita ko lang kasi I wanna show you kung ano na nakikita ko ngayon. What you're gonna see from my view dito. Ang ganda, no? Parang later pa yung sunrise. So, anyway, I'll lipat ko muna siya sa akin and later na ulit, I'll show you kung pag sumikat na yung araw. But right now, this is so nice. Diba? Ang ganda. Such a nice place. Thank you sa mga sponsors. Charot, parang meron. Wala naman. Sana nga meron, no? Para walang gastos. Anyway, later, pag nag-sunrise, I'll go live again. Tignan natin. Bye.